Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing Patreon STL for August 2024, Part 6. I'll be looking at D&D, Warhammer, and Figure for your 3D printing needs. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. The ones we'll be looking at, the links will be down below for you guys as well. Mammoth Factory Miniatures. We have some D&D stuff here for if you're doing like anything that deals with has ice or frost, or an Icewind Dale and Faerun. So we have Rimworm, we have Sages, we have a looks like a Wendigo dragon. Tell you the truth. We have the Buffs, we have Yetis, or the Storm Hurlers, the Duckies. We have Frostwalkers, those would be basically elementals. Looks like Wyverns. We have looks like elves. Like there are snow elves as a sub race, but yeah, just letting you guys know. Uh, but there's a lot of stuff we can do. These are pretty good miniatures for your D&D needs as well. I haven't done an ice campaign in a very long time, but I don't think I'm gonna go back to that as well. But because building a terrain for that is a pain in the ass. Azurma, a very good figure one as well. Ooh, October we're gonna get Delta. Let's see what we have for August. 300 Patreon goals. Release this. Let's see here for August. We have Kufka, Nezuko, and Roko for your figure needs as well. I don't think they actually made some yet, but they'll probably have some more released down for you guys later on. We did ES Monsters. We can skip that. That was like last month. Dark Digital Dark Pinup. If you really want lewd, futa, and so forth figures, this is pretty much what you're going to have. I think that this monthly box we have these, but I'm not going to have look through a lot of these things because there's a lot of things that YouTube won't be too happy about. But yeah, just got Rabbit there. Just give you an idea. Sin 3 Studio. We have for August. And this is for August. From I think from Nikki the game. And I don't know where I think she's probably the same one as well. This would be the figure. But you also can see what they kind of look like. If you want to get something. Very good figures as well. Remote Toe, he doesn't do much of what's happening for August. It's very hard to find what they have. They usually just post it out by a week later. But we'll see what they have for August. August delay. Already got this one. But yeah, it's kind of weird. I think you have a full-time job and you do this as a side job to make a little extra money. Trick or treat, we'll be getting the green and yellow lantern, and then I believe this one is soon from Swan as well. Yuka Polo, another figures. We got Ellen Joe. And I think we have Hibiki release as well. For this month. Lion Realm Studio. Another figure, anime figure as well. We got Kaiju number 8. Isn't that the Captain girl? Are we just getting Kaiju number 8? No, we're getting two Kaiju number 8. The Captain, the Vice Captain, and I forgot his name from Demon Slayer. That's coming out this month. Beyond H, another figure. I don't know, there's a lot of figure, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, let's welcome. We have Captain Carter and Vulture Queen. for this month as well. Oh, what are their settings there? Sihan Studio, another figure. For this month, Demon Gang Fearin for this month. Hyberia Studio, another figure. This one we're probably getting. I'll be getting her this month. Probably from Genshin Impact. I really don't know. Hanakai Archon. But they're very good figures. Luchinman Studio. I think this is direct dose. We watched this all in the past. Grade 8 Studio. Another figure. One as well. Hasumi, Roxy, and Yuri. And this is your previous month and your welcome figure as well. So we have Yuri. And that's been made already. One Punch Man. Ooh, that's fucking loud. Delta. From Pink's Prince. DM Stash. Another good D&D miniatures. We are. I don't know what we're getting. We're getting elementals, I believe. Yep, elementals. So if you have monks, elements, or the last Avatar Airbender, it's probably a good one for you. So we got the False Incarnate. You got the Defiler, a big ass freaking toad with trees and shit growing on them. It's kind of cool. Soulforge Blundsinger. We have Tortle with a tree in the back, growing out of his shell. We have Fire Enemy Crusader. We have Summer Breeze, Senate Incarnate. So if if you like doing stuff from Oriental style D&D and having a monk, this might be good to have. Get some Earth Elementals, Dragon Book Tribes as well. Immaturium God, another Warhammer proxies. I've been getting Chaos. Yep, a lot of Chaos. That's more like Nurgle. But yeah, Warhammer proxies for them for Chaos style if you're playing with your Chaos. Dragon Lake 3D miniature, another proxies for Age of Sigmar and Warhammer. Immortals. I think we're getting Chaos Dwarves. You can never have enough Chaos freaking Dwarves. They're freaking awesome. No, I think this is the. I just want to see the picture. No, that's probably for next month. So we got some Chaos Beast for this month. And some Chaos Dwarves. Yes, Chaos Dwarves. Yes, we're getting some Chaos Dwarves. I do want some Chaos Dwarves as well. The Dragon's Rest. This is terrain. For it, I don't think we have anything for August I'm looking at. They're all July. They might have some stuff out. I already got all of these from last month. And the razors for it as well. My 3D print forge. This is Warhammer style D&D proxy miniatures. If you're interested in Warhammer. I think this month we're having another Dark Knight version 2 of it. From the Wrath of the Lich King. But yeah, a lot of different races with as Death Knights. Death Knight's actually one of my favorite class in World of Warcraft. And I might start playing the new expansion just to see how it is. I really don't know it. But yeah, this is kind of cool. I do want the World of Warcraft style D&D, but the players I have don't really play World of Warcraft or Warcraft in general. But yeah, this would be kind of cool to do against Hordes, Alliance, or and stuff like that. But yeah, that's it. Glad another D&D miniatures as well for August. We have a witch. We have some Nurglings. That's kind of cool. We got some hags. Do we have more than that? No. Hags. That's from last month. But yeah, glad. You can use some Nurglings in your Nurgles. Roland Arts Studio. We have our pinups, and looks like we're doing Cyberpunk this month for it. That's pretty cool looking. You know, I am not good working with neon paints. I try. It's just something you get used to. Working with Nurgle paints with regular paints, it is one of those things that you really gonna have to do really good job with a white highlight and an airbrush to do a lot of effects for it as well. So we have, looks like a luchador. This looks like cyberpunk luchadors. Tell you the truth. Yeah, they kind of do. They look us. Less cyber luchas. Yeah, luchadors. That'll be it for this video. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check our Patreon and Discord. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.